Hey everyone, here's my recipe for a delicious apple upside down cake. This cake is so good. The caramelized apples, the soft cake, and I top it off with a drizzle of sweet glaze. All you need is a couple of apples along with a few ingredients. It's so easy to make. The full recipe will be in the description box. Peel the apples, slice them, and set them aside. Combine the brown sugar with the half a stick of butter. You just want to mash it all together. This is going to go at the bottom of the pan, and this is what's going to caramelize the apples. Add the brown sugar mix to the bottom of the pan. I use parchment paper so that it doesn't stick. Now you can start to add the apple slices to the pan. Once all your apples are in place, set it aside and work on the cake. Melt the stick of butter. Add the oil to the butter. Add the butter-oil mixture to the sugar. Just mix it for a couple minutes. Add in the eggs one at a time. Once the eggs are mixed in, add the vanilla. Now add in the dry ingredients. And finally, add in the milk. Mix it for about a minute, just till everything is fully combined. Pour the cake batter over the apples carefully. You want to try to keep the apples in place. Bake this at 350 for 50 to 55 minutes. While the cake is baking, you can make an easy glaze. Just mix some powdered sugar and a little bit of milk. If it's too thick, you add more milk. If it's too thin, you add more powdered sugar. This is perfect. Let the cake cool for about 20 minutes. The apples are perfectly cooked, and then the edges are a little bit crispy and chewy from the sugar. If you are into flavor and texture, this is the cake for you. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for watching.